Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go! Implicit differentiation is the fastest way to solve this calculus problem. Let us break down the steps to find the slope at a specific point quickly. Start by differentiating both sides with respect to x. Remember to use the product rule for the x squared y term and the chain rule for the y term. Let's go. Now group all terms containing d by dx on one side of the equation, factor out the derivative to isolate it, then divide to solve for dy dx. You got this. Keep going. Finally, plug in -2 for x and 1 for y. Simplify the arithmetic carefully to find the final slope value. That makes option A our clear final winner. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOV. Avoid missing the product rule and sign errors by using the chain rule and checking.